Hi friends, hope you are good and enjoying the best and beautiful part of your life. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Scared, and today in this video I will show the best and beautiful collection of high heel sandals. These types of collection you can wear at wedding and any other parties like school, colleges, universities, parties, night functions, family functions and kitty parties, friend weddings and any other wedding in your relatives. When you can wear these types of collection you can feel comfort and easy because it's very relaxable and easy to wear for your long destination. So friend, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel by pressing the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get the notification of my all upcoming and uploading videos. Stay blessed and try to your life with happy, because happiness is the key of success. So friend, let's meet to my next video with new and gorgeous collection of high heel sandals. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It's my humble request. Thank you. Have a nice day.